All right, all forward, go. Paddle together. Just stay together. Don't rush. Stay together. Keep going. Keep going. We're looking good. That was the hard part. All right, relax, relax. Stop paddle. Give me 2 now. Oh, never mind. I got it. Get down, get down. Give me 3 forward. Stay down, paddle. Keep going, keep going, keep going. And relax. Paddles up, paddles up. Stay down. Right side, give me 2 strokes. Everybody else just relax. Don't pout, don't pout. Keep yours up. Right side, give me 3 forward. 2 more. Stop giggling, Fred. Give me 3 now, right side. Can't stop. All right, hop up, team. Good job. Ooh, Mikey's is next. Backwards 1, backwards 1. Backwards 1 more. We're not paddle backwards here, but I want to make sure you know how to do that later so you won't hesitate. Give me 2, team. We're going to work as a team. Your strokes at the beginning of this are going to probably seem boringish to you, but they really are what makes or breaks the success downstream. So you're playing a very vital role in this one. It's just probably not going to feel real hard, maybe, I don't think. Unless your guide screws up. Give me 2, then you can blame him. All right, camera's rolling, best I can tell. And we are on our way. Give me 2. I am going to foul you a few times, get momentum, make my job easier. Give me 2 more. I see where I want to go. And 2 more. Think happy thoughts, team. This is where I want to be. Get down. This is good. Get down. Get down, Fred. The wife told me to get down. I never listen anyway. There's the rock. Wasn't bad bump. You hop up now. You have run your first real class 4. Hop up. You get up. Get up, team. All right, give me 1. We're avoiding some hazards downstream. Give me 2. These are really important strokes. 1 more. All right, and give me 2. Look over to your right. Those rocks that you saw to our right, that's what you're vowing to avoid. They are not friendly. Good job, team. All right, Donnie usually takes screaming left, but he might throw me a curveball and take door number 2 today. I never know for sure. Give me 1, team. I got no idea what Nico's going to do. I think he wants door number 2, though. Give me 1, team, and relax. We are going to take several strokes in a moment to make sure we have a clean entry. Give me 1 more. It looks like he's setting up for door number 3. That's the approach I would use if I was going for it. Yeah, he's going door number 3. Give me 2, team. Give me 2 more. And give me 2. Yeah, baby. Give me 2 now. This is door number 2 in front of us. Give me 2. Stay loose. Do not fall out here. Give me 2 now. Give me 2 more. Dig them. We're a little off. Give me 2 more. And 2, team. Yep. That's my favorite line through there. Very nice. That's okay. All right, give me 2, team. Okay, ready, set, be on your toes. Give me 2. I kind of missed my line. Give me 2 more. That's pretty good, kids. We are going to be paddling through breaking waves, so don't let them scare you. Give me 2. You will have some photos taken, but you're not going to see a photographer. You're going to be too busy working. So, have a serious face if you want, or a funny one if you desire. Give me 2. Give me 2 more, team. Uh-oh, I saw you choke up there. Give me 2. Just try to trust me, baby. Give me 2 more. Give me 2, team. And 2 more. Slam dunk is next. Give me 2 now. Cowhands in front of us. This looks chaotic. Give me 2. It is a good time. Give me 2 more. Paddle aggressively. We want some speed to improve our odds. Give me 2 now. Give me 2 now. I'm picking you a good line. I don't want you to have a bad day. Give me 2 now. Give me 3 now. Make these count. Give me 3 more like that. Whee! Give me 2. Give me 2 more. We're looking good, baby. Give me 2 more. Give me 3 more. Give me 2 more. Give me 2. Whoa, whoa. Give me 2 now. Good job, dude. That was pretty. Get out of the way for the other guys. Right side, give me 2. I'm being silly on purpose right now. I'm killing a little bit of moment. All right, give me 2, team. Give me 2 more. Take a deep breath. And give me 2. Give me 2 now. That was silly. Give me 2 now. Whoa, relax, relax, relax. Whoa, that's crazy. We're a little late on the right, apparently. The ref kicked hard. All is well that ends well. Give me 2, team. Give me, wait. I'm gonna go past one of these rocks, I hope. Not park on it, maybe. Give me 2 now. Give me 1, team. Don't tense up. Give me 2, team. Oh, very nice, Nico. Give me 2, team. Give me 2 more. Hop up. We'll do a little more of that. We'll take an easy dip first. That's a wrap, baby. Give me 1 forward, team. 1 forward. Be ready for a bump on the right. Relax, relax. Backwards 2. Backwards 2. Backwards. Were you getting 4 strokes in there? It happens. All right, be ready. Brace yourselves in. drop this little ledge up here, everybody's gonna lean to the right. We're gonna take a hit on the left. That's probably a little different than Billy. Give me one, team. Okay, lean right, lean right. Okay, be on your A game. We got important strokes. We got surprise next. It's not a good surprise. Okay. Give me two. 1, 2. Give me two. These strokes are really important, believe it or not. Give me two more. Seems so easy, but they're very crucial. Okay, big drop, don't fall out. You did it! Excellent! All right, team, be ready. We're going to do some paddling in a few moments. Give me two, team. We're actually going to paddle line. We want to make sure we don't get overpowered on the right side. All right, give me three, team. Give me three more like that. And three more. Big hit, don't fall out.
Yeah! Looking, Fred.
Whoa, don't fall down, Fred. That makes it hard to paddle. Good job, team. Yeah, I may have done that a few times. Give me one. Your guide wasn't trying to scare you. He's trying to make sure you have fun.
I had fun.
Jason's going for some body surfing and gerbil muncher. He's a strong swimmer. He might get in there yet.
Yeah! Woo! He looked a little bit scared though when he came up.
Bruce Golden Aster. See, these flower early every year. That's why I come over here occasionally to check them out. That's why it's Golden Aster, those flowers.
One of the only places that they grow?
It only grows 5 miles of the Ocoee River here, and across the mountains behind us is thriving on the Hiawassee. It's doing better there. But the damming of this river over 100 years ago is stopping the major floods that would scour the rocks clean of any dirt or sediment, so that the other plants couldn't encroach on its territory. And now you see like pine trees and gum trees are starting to get a foothold where it used to thrive. Yeah, it grows like desert-like conditions. Its nearest relatives in the Arizona desert.
Oh, wow.
So apparently things were much drier here once upon a time, I suppose. And this like where it's managed to hang on in similar environmental conditions. Wow. I mean, even though it's in the river, it's living in like desert-like conditions.
Yeah, rock. Yeah.
It's kind of weird.
Yeah, that is.
You can Google it and learn more about it.
Yeah.
Give me two more. You gotta get big splash down here. This is called Hellhole. Billy don't like being behind me here. Sometimes I stall and surf. Give me two more, team. Whoa, he almost stalled. And he was moving. Uh-oh. Oh, yeah! team. They are generating a little.